Coming to the next one, a patient is diagnosed with a complicated cataract, and on the slit limb findings are given below. What is the type of cataract? Now, there were a lot of controversy on this question, because I got a mixed response on this, that what type of image was asked. So certainly it was a complicated cataract, but which cataract was asked? Mostly there were two reviews. One group of people said that it was a image of posterior subcapsular cataract, while the other group of people said that it was a posterior polar cataract. Nevertheless, we can see both. So if it was this image, guys, so this is actually your posterior subcapsular cataract. In that case, the answer will be your posterior subcapsular cataract, right? And if it was something like this, where you are getting a typical onion ring kind of a thing, onion ring cataract, then it is a posterior polar cataract. But the important thing is that I told you that always the fancy cataracts are asked, they are always important. And if you remember, now again in the last minute revision for FMG that we did on the last day, I had given you a question on this onion ring cataract, which is typically found in the posterior polar cataract. Then we also discussed in the last minute revision the different morphologies of the cataract. See, this was your anterior polar cataract, then the posterior polar cataract, nuclear cataract, lamellar cataracts. So I think that is very, very clear. Then again in the last minute revision, we also discussed about this posterior subcapsular cataract. So I do not know why there is confusion between the posterior subcapsular cataract or posterior polar cataract, but whichever figure it is, I think it will be easier for you to tell. If you are getting this plaque like thing exactly in the center, then it is a posterior subcapsular cataract, and if you are getting a typical onion ring, then it's a posterior polar cataract. All right.